Welcome to our production site. Let's take a look at the core production process of our portable generator. First, the technicians carefully install 6 fixing screws on the generator's front output panel. This step ensures the stability of the panel and guarantees long-term reliability. Once installed, we move on to the voltage testing phase. We test the voltage of the main output port and cigarette lighter port to ensure proper circuit function. This guarantees user safety and reliable power output. Next, our technicians organize and secure the internal wiring harness. This ensures that all electrical components are neatly arranged and safely positioned for assembly. The generator automatically moves into our professional testing area for rigorous quality inspection. Each unit undergoes comprehensive performance tests to verify its stability and efficiency. First, the technicians install a temporary generator switch and connect an external fuel line. Next, the technicians manually start the generator and inspect its ignition performance. After startup, we turn off the Eco Mode switch. We then conduct output tests on the USB and Type-C ports. This ensures they meet the required power standards for reliable charging capabilities. Next, the generator's primary output port is connected to intelligent testing equipment. The system simulates load variations, switching between 25%, 50%, 75%, 100%, and even 115% load levels. These high-intensity load tests ensure the generator operates smoothly under various conditions. Whether for home use or industrial applications, our generators provide stable and reliable power. After the first port passes testing, we conduct the same rigorous checks on the second output port. Once all tests are completed and verified, the generator moves to the final assembly stage. It is now ready to be delivered with the highest quality standards. Every step is carefully controlled to ensure superior performance in every generator. Thank you for watching. If you need any generators or custom solutions, feel free to contact us. Stay tuned for more exciting content, and we look forward to working with you.